An important kind of calculation that we need to talk about is the interconversion of moles and mass. And the important thing that we need to be able to recognize is what is that relationship that exists between moles and mass. And that relationship, of course, is molar mass. So, first of all, how do we go about finding this molar mass, and then secondly, how do we use it? So, let's take a look at this problem. The question reads, how many moles are in 17.6 grams of H2SO4? So the first thing that we want to do is to determine the molar mass of H2SO4. So what do we have? Well, we have H, and we have S, and we have O. According to the formula, there are two hydrogens, each one with a molar mass of 1.01 grams per mole. That gives me 2.02 grams per mole. Sulfur, we have one with a molar mass of 32.07 grams per mole. Of course, giving us 32.07 grams per mole. And there are four oxygens, each with a molar mass of 16.00 grams per mole, leaving me with 64.00 grams per mole. When we add these up, we end up with 98.09 grams per mole. So that's the first thing that we need to do, is figure out that molar mass. So now we have it. Well, now that we've done that, we actually need to do the conversion. Knowing now the molar mass, we can solve our problem. Well, if we start with 17.6 grams of H2SO4, in order for us to get to the unit of moles of H2SO4, we need to, of course, know the molar mass. Again, what you want goes on top. Our molar mass is 98.09 grams per mole, so what we want are moles. So for every 1 mole of H2SO4, there's 98.09 grams of H2SO4. And when we go through this calculation to three significant figures, we end up with 0.179 moles of H2SO4.